way we like it, high-level defense.
Now the starting group for the visitors. That's no good. Misses his first shot of the night.
That's not the type of opportunity he fails to convert very often.
And we're going to have a jump ball. It's tied up there.
Ball violation. Jump ball call.
Pass to Aguilar. Pass to Thompson. Lets it go from deep. Hands it from downtown.
Well, that's a high percentage look when the D doesn't fight over the screen.
The coach over there just asking for one simple thing, and that's some effort. Got burned on that one.
Count it.
Uncovered at the rim, finding cracks in the defense here early on.
Just really smart basketball and exploiting whatever holes that he's seeing right now in the defensive squad.
Here in the first, a little over a minute played so far. Here's Aguilar. And that'll be 2 free throws coming up. Officials on the call with the foul.
First personal foul.
I'll tell you what, he earned his money on that foul.
This is his first free throw of the game.
Aguilar.
And he knocks down the first one. Both good from the line that time. So, Greg, when you think about the Phoenix Suns, what do you think fuels them the most?
Kevin, I mean, the fact that they had a 2-0 lead in the 21 NBA Finals and lost. This team is really battling to get back to that stage. And if they do, they want to take care of business this time. And that was almost a block. Still did enough to alter the shot.
Yeah, altering the shot just as long as there's a miss, that kind of energy not wasted. Such a critical part of how their offense is going to flow. Things are only working when he seems to be on the floor.
Just about 2 minutes into the game, first quarter of basketball. Doesn't go that time. Gone 2 of 3 here to start out the game. Out to the right wing. Here's Black. He's covered by Thompson. And it's out of bounds. Last touch by Thompson.
Away team ball.
Now the pass to Black. Down to 5 on the shot clock. Over Thompson. And he gets it to go from the high post.
And I like to see this. They're calling his number early, and he's delivering.
Well, he's going to just keep going now. That's early confidence for him.
Now here's Thompson. Driving the lane. Pass to Aguilar. To the wing right side.
It's a staple 100 years from now. Trust me. Well, that mid-range, Jay, usually pretty much on the money. Maybe the timing just a little bit off on that one.
That one goes in.
I love the unselfishness, and you know coaches do as well.
Well, not just coach, but you can see it in the teammates, the way that they look at him. They appreciate it when he shares the ball like that.
Black, no good.
Yeah, my expectations were that he was not going to miss that one. He handles that kind of defense, especially on the inside.
That one falls.
Number 18.
Here's Black. He's got 11. Shoots from the baseline. That's no good. He's shooting 5 of 10 for the night. Gone 2 of 2 from three-point range here in the first quarter. Fires from deep. Black grabs the board. The ball to the tune of 41% from the field so far. And it's in there.
Number 19.
Catching the lead pass at full speed, terrific anticipation, and the delivery on time, on target.
Passes it to Aguilar. And there's the slam dunk to finish it off.
Yeah, undersized guys with athleticism do these kind of things, playing above the rim. Love to see him get up like that.
Here's Black. That one doesn't go. And that concludes the first quarter of play.
Your home
Up
team.
by 9.
26.
It's the NBA on
visiting
2K
team.
Sports from Rocket
17.
Mortgage Field. And glad to have you with us, folks. Second quarter of basketball. This game has not exactly been neck and neck, but plenty of time left in this one. Guys, what's your take on the home team so far?
Boy, their offense looks really good when everyone's in sync. Terrific first quarter.
Yeah, couldn't ask for a better one right now. Just a complete rhythm by all the guys who got some minutes. Wonderful start.
And one of the unwritten rules of team play, Brent, don't throw your teammate a grenade. What are those?
Well, I got a lot of those in my years in Seattle, and I won't mention his name, but the initials are Gary Payton. Look, the shot clock's winding down, you're standing open, and the guard just gives it to you with 1.5 seconds to go, and you got to shoot the ball. So those are called live grenades, Kevin.
First one at the line is good.
That's also good. So he hits both free throws.
And that's another area where he is just a superb player. Excellent at the free throw line.
Pass to Aguilar. And oh boy, a lot of contact there, but he gets the call and will shoot 2.
First personal foul, first team foul. At the line for your home team, number 3. 2 shots.
And the first one drops. And that one goes in. 2 from the line that time. Gone 1 of 2 on three-pointers here in the second quarter so far. Thompson outside.
Minute 47 left
In the first half. Off the mark there with the three-point shot.
Didn't hesitate for a second to get a hand up on that deep ball.
Yeah, you got to like how he hustled to guard out on the perimeter, definitely respecting the shooting ability.
Here's Black. 15 points in the game. 13 feet away.
Black.
Jump shot is good that time. Black's got 17.
Yeah, you got to get up tighter than that. Some players you can give that much room to, but not him.
Here's Thompson. The 10-footer finds the target. 11 points in the game.
You can't just stop when there's a pick set up. Gotta fight over it as a defender.
That's one that the coaches will watch tomorrow with that player. You hate to see him give up in that situation.
Fades and shoots. He can't hit that time. Gone 3 of 6 tonight when they've let it fly from downtown.
the 13-footer.
There's 38 seconds left here in the second. Gone 0-2 from deep here in the second. He's covered by Thompson. And Thompson sends it back. Here's the lob to the hoop. Plays it in off the pretty alley-oop.
Oh, and just a soft touch on both ends of that pretty alley-oop.
I gotta say, when he threw the pass, I didn't know where it was going. Here's Black. Off the mark with the little step back, Johnny. Thompson in the corner. Shoots the three. Buries the long-range jumper.
Thompson.
And through one half, it hasn't even been close.
With the score.
Delivering the blowout. It's the NBA on 2K Sports from Rocket Mortgage Fieldhouse.
The 2K Sports Halftime Show.
Hello again, folks. Ernie Johnson here with Kenny the Jet Smith and Shaquille O'Neal. It's the NBA on 2K Sports, and let's talk the first half. Taking a look at this home squad. Kenny, what's your viewpoint?
What a brilliant, unselfish half of basketball they just played. Their ball movement was absolutely impeccable. All in all, just beautiful basketball to watch.
Shaq, let's get your insight on the visiting team.
Well, they're not finding good shots, and that starts with their ball movement. Too much real last night. We need to sharpen up the attack. More motion, quick cuts, get the ball inside. There's no way they're coming back with that type of play.
And that's going to do it for us here. The second half of action is coming your way.
Well, we've got a second half of basketball for you. We think it's going to be pretty good. A big comeback, though, is needed for this game to be competitive, and it probably has to happen quickly. Pass to Black. Over Thompson. Black, no good.
And that's how you want to see defense play. Got right up in his face to bother the shot.
That's going to make any scorer uncomfortable when you get that aggressive.
Offensively, defensively, they are in total control.
Yeah, the other team a bit concerned here. They're trailing, and the lead seems to be growing.
Misses in close.
And the effort never stops with him. No easy shots when he's on the floor.
Well, it's about the defensive end, and that's what guys feed off. He gives the effort down there at all times.
Away team foul. Number 20. Second personal foul. First team foul.
And for those of you tuning in, we're about a minute into the second half. Back to Thompson. Shoot. Second chance effort, and the layup is up and in. Thompson's got 16 points.
And that's a lesson for the D. Fight harder on the glass.
Yeah, you just can't afford to give up second chance opportunities again and again.
Here's Black. He's got 17. Can't hit from 12. Third quarter of basketball, about a minute and a half in. Here's Thompson. No bucket, and that miss is number 6. He's made 7. And it's blocked. And a lot of contact on that one, so he'll shoot 2 here.
First personal foul, second team foul. At the line for 2, number 34.
First free throw is good.
Gets them both.
Some tough offensive sets. They want to turn it around.
Yeah, right now you just need a bucket to get some momentum.
Solid play in the low block, and that one's good.
And he's been passive today, but maybe that's what he needs to get him going, because for them to be successful, he's got to be a little more selfish.
And there it is for him.
Taking it up strong against size. He does not lack for confidence.
Yeah, hard to stop it there if you're the big man. That's just too good a shot and great concentration.
Stolen. Outstanding 53% for the game. Inside, Aguilar.
Shot.
He lays it in.
Raymond Aguilar.
He takes care of salvaging that possession for the offense by getting on the offensive glass.
Fourth quarter just getting started. 1 minute in the books. Here's the drive. Here's Bates. Right wing.
Five on the clock.
It's deflected. About a minute and a half through the fourth quarter now. There's the pass to Aguilar.
Left of the wing.
David. No good from outside. Gone 0 of 3 to start the fourth quarter. Last quarter of play, about 2 minutes in now. Takes it inside. Laid in with a nice touch off the glass. Gone 2 of 4 from the field since we started the final quarter of play. And it's blocked. And it's going to be out of bounds. And they'll keep possession.
Substitution for the away team. Number 20.
Just a little under 2.5 minutes have passed now here in the fourth. And a missed layup. Gone 1 of 4 since the end of the third quarter. Five to shoot. And it's denied. We're in the final quarter of play here. 3 minutes in.
How about the concentration? He gets hit but stays with the play and gets the finish.
At the line for your home team, number 18.
One gets into the NBA easily, Brent. We know that, but Max Strus really had an uphill battle, didn't he?
Yeah, no kidding. He went undrafted, did a stint in the G League, got injured, and then a training camp contract. But man, has Max Strus overcome all of those challenges to be where he is today?
First one at the line is good.
Both shots good from the stripe. There's 37 seconds left to play in the final quarter. Three-pointer on the way. No good. Shot missing. Diversified scoring in this one for him.
I love when everyone can get involved, a full team effort.
And so they get the victory here at home. It was a tale of two teams tonight. One that was in total control, operating flawlessly, and the other just searching for answers that they could never find.
I mean, the energy here is just so tremendous. Fans involved from the get-go. And once they started to really pour it on, it was fun to see that rhythm and flow from their perspective.
And that'll wrap it up, folks. For Greg Anthony, Brett Barry, and David Aldridge, this is Kevin Harlan. Thank you for watching the NBA, presented by 2K Sports. So long and good night, everyone.